The Overlord. Fire Choir. The Overlord has created a chaotic atmosphere in the city. People are all trying to escape the escalation and violence, which has created a camaraderie within the community. Imagine the music while the buildings burn. During this round, for each card moved by the starting card, move any other cards or any card on your side of the board +1 or -1 for every card you move except for your starting card. You may move a card more than once. Okay, plays do not trigger this effect, or bonus plays don't trigger. So if you have a bonus play action, you don't get more movements, only the first time. So for example, I'm going to show you how the best way to do this would be, which would be to break up the moves. This is a time where you want to get some of, maybe cards, more powerful cards in your allies. So if I take the 6 as my starting card, instead of say take the 5, 1, 2, what I'd rather do is say +1 and then +1 on the orange. That's 2 movements already, so I have 2. Now instead of moving the 12 up, which I might normally do to protect it, I'm going to say +1 here, so that's 3 movements. Then there's -2, so instead of say banking just one of these cards, I'm going to go 1, 2, and now I have actually created 5 unique movements, which is going to allow me then to say, okay, I'm done with my moves. So then I can take that 12 and go 1, 2, and this 6 would be 3, and this would be 4, and this would be 5. So essentially, you can't move that because it's your starting card, but I was able to bank all 3 of these cards because I was able to break up the moves. So it's advantageous to try to break up the moves or find the card that does it. Of course, big penalties might make that harder to do.